Probably seen the dreamy Instagram posts, someone sipping coffee in a charming European plaza or watching the sunset from a Southeast Asian beach with the caption, "Just another day working remotely." What if you don't have a remote job, a fancy degree, or any special skills yet? Can you still make money abroad with no experience? Absolutely, and not only that, you can thrive. Whether you're fresh out of school, burned out from your 9 to 5, or just craving adventure, this guide is for you. I've met people making money in all kinds of creative ways in hostels, buses, mountaintop cafes, and street food stalls, and many of them started with zero experience. Here's how they did it, and how you can too. Remember to check the link in the description for your free ebook that will help you not only save money while you travel, but also make money. Teach English, no degree needed in many places. You don't have to be a certified teacher to teach conversational English abroad. In places like Latin America or parts of Southeast Asia, you can often land a job just by being a native speaker. Sites like Workaway or even local Facebook groups post opportunities constantly. Some hostels even offer free food and accommodation in exchange for language lessons. Work in a hostel or guest house. Many hostels will let you work reception, clean rooms, or run activities in exchange for free housing, meals, and sometimes even cash. No resume needed, just be friendly, reliable, and open to helping out. It's also one of the best ways to meet other travelers and get insider tips on how they're making money too. Get paid to house sit or pet sit. If you love animals or just want a free place to stay, house sitting is the dream. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and Nomador connect travelers with homeowners looking for someone to watch their pets or properties while they're away. You're not earning a salary, but you're saving a ton on rent, which is basically the same thing when you're living abroad. Become a street performer or artist. If you play an instrument, juggle, sketch portraits, or do anything remotely creative, you can perform in public spaces, where it's legal, and make money through tips. In cities like Berlin, Barcelona, or even Tokyo, some travelers make enough in a few hours to cover food and lodging for the day. All it takes is confidence and consistency. Sell handmade crafts or art at markets. Even if you're not a full-time artist, crafting small items like bracelets, keychains, or mini paintings can bring in money at local street markets. Some travelers learn to macrame or wire wrap just from YouTube and end up selling their work in beach towns and flea markets all over the world. Try online freelancing, yes, even without experience. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer simple services. Think proofreading, data entry, translation, or social media help. You might start small, but as you build reviews, the jobs get better. You can learn skills as you go with free courses on platforms like Coursera or Skillshare. Do seasonal farm work or fruit picking. In countries like Australia, New Zealand, or Canada, farms hire backpackers to pick fruit, prune vines, or pack produce. You don't need any skills, just a strong back and a good attitude. It's physical work, but the pay is decent and you're often housed on site. We have a free ebook linked in the description to help with this and more. Join volunteer exchanges with perks. Websites like Workaway, Worldpackers, and HelpX connect you with hosts who need help on farms, eco-villages, hostels, schools, and more. In exchange for a few hours of work a day, you get free room, food, and a deep cultural experience. Some even offer stipends. Try social media, seriously. You don't need to be an influencer with 100,000 followers to make money. Start a TikTok or YouTube channel sharing your travel journey. Brands, hostels, or tourism boards might offer freebies, sponsorships, or affiliate deals if your content gains traction. Even travel apps sometimes pay creators with small audiences if they produce helpful videos. Be a tour guide or walking tour host. In major tourist cities, you can offer free walking tours where guests tip what they like. If you learn a few interesting facts and have the charisma to share stories, you can create your own walking experience using platforms like Guru Walk or Tours by Locals. It's storytelling, not formal guiding, and you can learn as you go. Do one-off gigs. In every country, there are odd jobs to be had. Distribute flyers for a local restaurant. Be a film extra. Help someone move. Wash boats. These aren't glamorous, but they're great for quick cash, and you don't need experience. Just show up and work hard. Bartend or wait tables in tourist areas. You'd be surprised how many bars and restaurants hire foreigners, especially in places like Bali, Lisbon, or Tulum. Some prefer people who speak multiple languages. You might start washing glasses, but if you're personable and sharp, you'll move up quickly. Even if you're starting from scratch, you can build a blog or a YouTube channel around your travel experience. Promote gear you actually use, like backpacks, insurance, or budget travel apps. and get paid when others buy through your links. It's a slow burn, but one of the best passive income sources once it kicks off. Before we hit the top 2 tips, make sure to check the links in the description for travel essentials, the best visa-friendly jobs, beginner-friendly remote work tools, and discount codes to get started with workaway or trusted house sitters. Subscribe to the channel for more travel money hacks and drop a comment below if you've tried any of these or have your own ideas to share. Number 2, learn a skill while you travel. Here's a secret, you don't have to wait until you're qualified. You can learn as you go. I met a girl who learned video editing in a Colombian hostel and now edits wedding videos from wherever she wants. Another guy taught himself SEO in a co-working space in Vietnam. Use your downtime to pick up digital skills. You'll turn no experience into income faster than you think. Number 1, say yes more than no. This is the golden rule of making money abroad. You don't need a perfect resume, a business plan, or a roadmap. You need to say yes to the weird job, the local who needs a hand, the stranger who offers you a chance to help on their farm. Most travelers making money on the road started by just saying, sure, I'll try that. Opportunities find those who are open. The money will follow. Remember to check out the link in the descriptions for your free ebook and all your travel essentials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.